Hello and welcome to my shed. I'm going to be trying to document a repair of a cymbal. So, is that a crack there? And I've got another one right there. So you can pay companies who will do repairs for you, but I'm a musician, I have no money, same as everybody else out there. Tools you're going to need. Drill bit. This is a very little one, about 2.5mm. Drill. This is a lovely DeWalt unit that I'm borrowing off my dad because I left mine at work. Very funny. So what I've done is I've put a bit of wood underneath where I'm about to drill, which is there, so that the pressure's distributed equally and doesn't just crack it. So here we go. Now for crack number 2, I've located it here. I've put a bit of a pen mark on it so that I know where it is. Fortunately, that drill bit is about as sharp as my wit, which I'll tell you now isn't very sharp. Obviously, you should have got that, but there we go. One more size up. This should stop it cracking again. There we go. That easy. Got a second hole drilled. Got some sharp bits. It's nice and soft to touch. So hopefully that crack shouldn't progress any further than that. So that's cool. So here we are, KFX, with that crack drilled out and that crack drilled out there. This cymbal should be good to go for another good few shows. Also, look at the cats. Hello.